Hi, Brad from wpsites.net. Let's take a look at creating buttons. These are really simple coloured buttons that you can use in any theme. It doesn't have to be any specific theme. The code can be used in any theme whatsoever, and you won't be locked into that specific theme. We're just going to add some code to your child themes style sheet, or the parents theme style sheet if you're not using a child theme, and we can produce these different buttons. You can also change the color of them. You can change the border width as well, and also obviously you can change the text, the anchor text, and also wherever the button links to. So it's pretty easy. All we have to do is add some code, and we take this code here. This is available on briangardner.com. Genesis color buttons. It's been produced for Genesis theme users and StudioPress theme users, but you can use this on any site, and I'll show you how you can use it on the new 2012 default theme for WordPress, which is a free theme. Here we are. We're logged into the dashboard of the 2012 default theme for WordPress. Now just go down to Appearance, Editor, and we're in the 2012 style sheet, style.css file, and you'll find that that's down the very bottom here, so make sure you're in the right file. Now scroll down to the very bottom of this file, and I've already pasted this in, so I'll just remove that and just paste it at the absolute end of the file, this code. So here's the end of the file. Paste this code in, and there you can see is the code that creates these buttons. Each different button color has a different hex code color code here. You can simply change that. You can Google a HTML color code chart on Google, and you can change those colors, and you can also increase the border as well. So on this one we'll change the border color on some of them, the border thickness, and I'll show you what that looks like. So we just update the file, and next we go into a page or post. It doesn't really matter. You can place these buttons wherever you like. You can put them in a widget area, and here's a couple I made earlier. So we grab this code. That's the code we put in the style sheet, and there's some other code here. Now we grab this little bit of code here, and this goes wherever we want to display the buttons. So I've already put this in here, and we go into the text editor. Might be called, if you're using an older version of WordPress, might be called the HTML editor, but we don't use the visual. We go into the text editor, in a page or post, and we'll just change this color. We'll call this yellow. We'll call this green. You can only use the buttons which we added the code. There was only 6 different colors. So let's just have a look at what they look like. We'll update that, and we'll have a look at view page, and you can see the different button colors. So it's very easy to change these colors, and you can add your own links as well. I've just put in a link to my site there. We'll go into the visual editor. You can basically just highlight that link, open it, and change the URL location of where you want it linked to, and change the title. So that's it really. It's very easy to add buttons to Genesis or StudioPress themes, and this is the code that you can use on any theme. It doesn't have to be Genesis or StudioPress. So you'll find that code on the briangardner.com website. He's the lead developer and the founder of the Genesis theme framework, which all StudioPress themes are built on. And it's an excellent blog to subscribe to if you want to learn how to customize a WordPress theme. Alright folks, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Cheers.